In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use Apple Pay in PlayStation Store on your PS5. So what you need to do firstly is to of course go into your PlayStation Store right here and then select the game that you want to be able to get. So let's say this one right here, and I already have it in cart here. So let's say I want to be able to get these two games, but I want to pay through my Apple Pay. So I'm just going to accept this one and then click on order and pay right here. So on this page you can see you can use PayPal, credit and debit card, but you can also use Apple Pay. So just click on Apple Pay here and then click on order and pay. And you can see to pay with Apple Pay, scan the code with your iPhone or iPad. It requires iOS 18, iPad OS 18 or later, just so you know. So what you need to do now is to grab either your iPhone or iPad, and then you're going to just open up camera on that and just scan this QR code here, as you can see. And then it should be able to take you straight to the Apple Pay, of course. And yeah, after that you need to confirm with Apple Pay, and when everything is okay, you will be able to pay with it. And that is exactly how to do this.